Hello, and welcome back to Apple Park. I am so glad you could join us today. Just last month, we were here to introduce some great new products. Apple Watch Series 6, Apple Watch SE, as well as the 8th generation iPad, and the all-new iPad Air. And we've got some more huge announcements for you today. So let's get started with an exciting new product for the home we know you're going to love. This year, our homes have become even more important in our daily lives. So it's critical that the technology we choose for our home provides a truly great experience. When we approach designing products for the home, we focus on 3 key attributes. First, they must be easy to use from the initial setup to the way you interact with it every day. And we design our products to work better together, seamlessly and intuitively. We also design them to be secure and to protect your privacy, because you should be the one in control of how your personal data is used. We applied these principles when we created HomePod. HomePod is a breakthrough speaker that combines precise, high-fidelity sound with the intelligence of Siri. It provides an entirely new way to discover and interact with music at home. And now, we want to bring this experience to even more people. So today, I'm excited to introduce the newest addition to the HomePod family, and I'd like to show it to you now.
I'm so excited to tell you about HomePod Mini. It's an incredible smart speaker with a compact, elegant design that's perfect for your home. It's wrapped in a beautiful, seamless mesh fabric that not only looks great, but was created specifically for its acoustic performance. On top of HomePod Mini is a backlit touch surface that provides controls for volume, play pause, and even illuminates when you invoke Siri. But the design is just the beginning. In creating HomePod Mini, we thought carefully about what you want from a smart speaker. First, you want amazing sound that ensures your music, podcasts, and everything you listen to sounds incredible. Next, you want a world-class intelligent assistant that helps you wherever you are. And as our homes become smarter, you want it to serve as the brain of your smart home, orchestrating and controlling a wide range of devices. And finally, because it's your home, you want a smart speaker that puts your privacy and security at the forefront. All this is exactly what HomePod Mini is designed to deliver. And to tell you more about how we made this happen, let me pass it to Dave and Yael.
At Apple, we have a passion for music, so we knew HomePod Mini had to sound amazing. We started by custom designing every acoustic element. We created a full-range dynamic driver that delivers high output while keeping distortion to a minimum, and developed a pair of high excursion, force-canceling passive radiators that enable amazing bass response. We also crafted an acoustic waveguide to deliver a consistent 360-degree sound experience, enabling you to place HomePod Mini anywhere. In order to get truly big sound out of this compact design, we combined it with the powerful Apple S5 chip and advanced software, which altogether enables something we call computational audio. Even before you hear the first note, HomePod Mini is analyzing the unique characteristics of the music and applying complex tuning models to optimize loudness, adjust the dynamic range, and control the movement of the driver and passive radiators in real time. And all this happens over 180 times a second. The result is an audio experience unheard of in a speaker this size, and one only Apple can deliver. Now, bringing amazing sound into your home isn't just about breakthrough audio quality. It's also about letting you enjoy that sound throughout your house. Multiple HomePod Mini speakers can play perfectly in sync across your entire house. And that's great for entertaining or keeping up with your favorite podcasts as you get stuff done. And when you place 2 in the same room, they'll intelligently become a stereo pair, filling your space with rich, enveloping sound. And to make HomePod Mini the ultimate smart speaker for iPhone owners, later this year, you'll get a new handoff experience that's truly magical. Using the U1 ultra-wideband chip, which we introduced in iPhone last year, HomePod Mini can understand with high precision when your iPhone is nearby. Bring iPhone close to HomePod Mini and you'll get visual, audible, and haptic effects, so it feels like your devices are physically connected as music flows from one to the other. And of course, HomePod Mini can play all of your favorite content. In addition to Apple Music, you can listen to all your favorite podcasts, along with thousands of radio stations from iHeartRadio, Radio.com, and TuneIn. And in the coming months, you'll be able to use services from providers like Pandora and Amazon. And because HomePod Mini has the power of Siri, anyone in the home can ask to play an artist, album, or track, hear a playlist, or even search for music by lyrics.
Hey Siri, play the song that goes, "Feeling good, never stressed."
Here's Sunday Best by Surfaces.
Siri on HomePod Mini brings you the music you love and helps you discover new favorites. But of course, Siri does more than just play your favorite music. To tell you more, here's Yael.
Siri is what makes a smart speaker, well, smart. Siri was the first mainstream intelligent assistant, and today, it's the most popular in the world, available on over 1 billion devices and handling over 25 billion requests a month. And Siri keeps getting better. In the past 3 years, Siri's gotten faster and more concise. Speech recognition is twice as accurate, and Siri knows over 20 times more facts. Together, Siri and HomePod Mini do everything you'd expect from a smart speaker, from multiple timers and alarms, to weather reports, to answering the random questions kids think up. But what really sets HomePod Mini apart is Siri's deep integration with iPhone. Using Siri, HomePod Mini can access the apps on your iPhone to send a message, check your calendar, make a call, even find your iPhone. And because of this, you'll be able to ask HomePod Mini for a personal update with just a single request.
Hey Siri, what's my update?
Good morning, Jumi. It's currently sunny and 72 degrees. Your first event is at 11 a.m. Gallery visit. You have one upcoming reminder. Call Zoe.
Of course, your voice isn't the only voice in your house. Siri knows that and can recognize the voices of each member of your household so that everyone gets their own personal experience.
Hey Siri, what's my first class today? Hey Siri, text Annika, I'll pick you up in 10.
Hey Siri, play my favorites mix.
Okay, Mo. Favorites mix now playing.
And deep integration with iPhone also enables a magical experience with CarPlay. Ask HomePod Mini what time Target closes, and a Siri suggestion automatically appears in CarPlay, so when you hop in the car, the route is ready and waiting for you. With the intelligence of Siri, HomePod Mini helps you get things done around the home. Next, let's turn to the smart home. When it comes to your home, you want comfort and convenience without complexity. So with HomePod Mini, we've made the smart home simple. HomePod Mini automatically integrates with the Home app, so you can control all of your HomeKit accessories with just your voice. You can ask to turn down the heat, lock the doors, dim the lights, or even set a scene.
Hey Siri, good morning.
Good morning. The scene is set.
To control multiple accessories with a single voice command. And if you're just getting started with your smart home, the new Discover tab in the Home app makes it easy to find all kinds of great smart home accessories to control lighting, security, comfort, and more. One of the most important parts of the smart home is communicating with your family, which is why we created Intercom. Intercom lets you quickly send a message from one HomePod to another in a different room, or to multiple rooms throughout your home.
Hey Siri, tell everyone, we're late, let's go. We're late, let's go.
Hey Siri, reply, I'm just getting my jacket.
But what's really exciting is that we've taken it a step further and designed Intercom to also work with your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and even CarPlay, something only Apple can do. You'll get a home intercom system that goes everywhere with you.
Ask everyone who's hungry, I've got pizza.
The message will automatically play on HomePod speakers throughout the home, and a notification will appear on your family's personal devices. And intercom messages will play on AirPods as well, so you can always get your kids' attention.
Reply. Read my mind.
Intercom helps connect the members of your home in an entirely new way. We're so excited about how HomePod Mini brings the power of Siri intelligence to your smart home. Back to Bob.
Not only is HomePod Mini packed with great features, like every Apple product, it's designed with your privacy and security in mind. Nothing you say is sent out of your home until you activate Siri with a touch, or it hears those magic words, "Hey Siri." And your requests are not associated with your Apple ID, and you choose whether Apple saves your audio recordings. Personal requests only work when your iPhone is home with you, and all communication with smart home accessories uses strong encryption. We can't wait for you to enjoy the incredible experiences the new HomePod Mini brings to your home. It comes in both white and space gray, and I'm thrilled to announce that HomePod Mini will be available for just $99. And you can order HomePod Mini November 6th, and it'll start shipping the week of November 16th. So that's HomePod Mini. With the power of computational audio, a world-class intelligent assistant, great features like intercom, and tight integration with your favorite Apple devices. And now, back to Tim.